Let's take a look at finding the x and y intercepts. So let's take a look at 6a. Guess I didn't push the button after all. 5, 6, x, excuse me, minus 2/9 y equals -3. Now to find our x-intercepts, what we do is we plug 0 into the other variables. We'll plug 0 in for y. So this becomes 5, 6x minus 2/9 times 0 equals -3. You always plug it into the other variable. So if we're finding x-intercept, we plug 0 in for y. If we're finding the y-intercept, we plug 0 in for x. So that leaves us, the 2/9 times 0 drops away. So we got 5, 6x equals -3. Now, this is just a linear equation. Get rid of parentheses, get rid of fractions, multiply everything by LCM of all your denominators. So I'll multiply everything by 6, because we only have one denominator, so that is our LCM. And those 6 is going to cancel there. And we got 5x is equal to -18. And then last step, divide both sides by the number in front of your x. So we'll divide both sides by 5. And we come up with x is equal to -18 fifths. Now if you want to write that in point form, that's fine. That'd be -18 fifths, comma 0. Or if you don't leave it that way, that's fine too. Now let's look at the y-intercept. Again, you plug 0 into the other variable. So we're going to plug 0 in for x. So we've got 5, 6 times 0 minus 2/9 y equals -3. 5, 6 times 0 drops away, so that leaves us -2/9 y equals -3. Multiply both sides by 9 to get rid of the fraction. Again, these aren't any kind of special techniques. These are our steps for solving linear equations. 9's cancel. And we've got -2y is equal to -27. And last step, divide both sides by the number in front of your y. So we'll divide both sides by -2. And we end up with y is equal to 27 over 2. And if you want to put that in point form, you can. You don't have to. I'm happy with y equals 27 over 2. Let's look at our second example. 5x minus 3y. So 5x minus 3y equals 2. So to find the x-intercept, we're going to plug 0 into the other variable. So we'll plug 0 in for y. 3 times 0 drops away. So that leaves us 5x equals 2. And this is a linear equation. Go through our steps. Our fourth step says divide both sides by the number in front of your x. So we'll divide both sides by 5. And we end up with x equals 2 fifths. And again, if you want to put that in point form, you're welcome to. You don't have to. And then our y-intercept. Plug 0 into the other variable. So plug 0 in for x. So we got 5 times 0 minus 3y equals 2. The 5 times 0 is 0, so that drops away. We got -3y equals 2. Want the y by itself, so we'll divide both sides by -3. So -3's a cancel, and we got y is equal to -2/3. And if you want to put that in point form, again, that's fine. Or leave it that way. And those would be your answers.